Hey guys, welcome back to Growing Up with Queen. And today we're going to be making
Bubbles. Slime bubbles.
Yes, with our slime. He does not know how.
I don't know.
So you sometimes want to like flatten it, and then you want to stretch it, and then
That's a sissy bubble. It's like this. I don't know how, but
that's
no bubble. I bet you cannot cover Spider-Man in a bubble.
Oh, I have already.
That's bad.
Yeah, it is. But I have already. So first, you're gonna.
I wanted to use that blanket in a long time, Mommy.
Alright, well, my computer's getting wrapped up in it.
Oh, come on.
What's the clown?
Alright.
I got a little one, like right here. Wow, that's a bubble.
Smushing him.
And Joe, her uniforms are in the drying, but in the morning I'll put them in the dryer. So all you gotta do is get them out of the dryer.
A little one. I'm getting it. I heard you. Man. So she just grabs it, pulls it. Oh, I beat the Spider-Man game yesterday. Mom won't get the DLC content. Only if you drop $25 into my account.
Oh!
Back to Spider-Man game. It was so much fun. I had to unlock the final costume.
They don't even know what you're talking about.
And so this is where we make a video where we get good at editing and we put like a little screenshot right there in the corner. Boop, boop. It's a screen, and then we can say, click that right there and drop money into my account so I could buy the Spider-Man game. And it's like I hit him with the little sales pitch, and it's like, damn, I could play slime all day and get paid. Yeah, we are. Especially if I get a bubble, we definitely are.
Oh, okay. Look, you need to stretch it.
Alright, so I got it there. Whoa. Spider-Man. Got some slime on his head. Spider-Man is a mash'em. The Queen sister has the mash'ems. Look. Come on now.
Look,
what's the technique? Explain the technique.
Oh, okay.
To us.
I know what you're doing. You're stretching it too, like, probably a little too hard, where there's a hole in it, and if there's a hole in between, then
You gonna come and make a bubble?
I've never tried, but I'm gonna try.
you have to be
First
in the camera.
time's a charm.
Mom, you have to be in the camera. Say hi.
Move over.
You're
Joe.
fine. Just make a bubble.
Say hi. Do this.
Hi.
There you go. Like lean into the camera. What was that? You're not making no pancakes.
Look, Mommy. Look.
I feel like you could cover my head in that.
I'm gonna get this.
What'd you do? What'd you do to me?
Watch your video. I don't know.
Wait, it looks like the secret is not to have bubbles. Pop all the bubbles out. This. And the secret is to have it stop.
Maybe I have one on my finger.
Pop up over there. Okay.
I'm picking yours because Mommy's got her.
No, you're gonna wait.
I have a roll in this now. I got you.
You got to
Oh, I
clean
can
your
put-
hands.
Whoa! Damn. It was in a bubble to pop.
I know.
Just ask the pro. What is that?
Would you care to take a guess at what this is?
You're spilling on the table.
It's blue colored water. My sister made it. She loves colored water.
Ooh, what if I do it like this?
Oh.
I was throwing it so you could clean it up.
Thought you were trying to attack me. Trying to protect the queen.
Or you could have caught it like a normal person.
Not normal.
Take two. But it's gonna have a tail. Fine.
Take
No.
two.
Fine, take two.
Here goes. Flying tail.
Epic.
You ready? You're gonna beat up. I'm gonna jump.
Does that feel good?
You ready?
Because it feels good for me whenever I pop it.
No, not being able to make a bubble from slime is not very good.
Look,
Ready?
you're not doing it.
I'm coming. I'm gonna jump on you. Are you ready?
How's yours? Is it all in the wrist? You like?
Yeah,
I'm
it's
just.
definitely in the wrist.
Oh, I
It's
don't even
stretchy.
look. I just feel it right here, and then everything else is just loose.
Alright, do a slow motion for the camera, for the people watching us at home.
Woo! I pounded her!
If you do it in slow
With no
motion.
slime, like
Oh,
I'm watching now.
I shouldn't have done it.
I overstood her.
Right?
Clearly. Could it be?
Alright. Imagine
you're
if I got it
doing
though.
this.
Yeah.
No,
No. That's what I just did.
you did this.
Okay.
I'm talking about this.
I got it snap.
I got you. Ooh.
You know what? I farted on you. How about that?
No.
Smells like gassy poo.
Beep. You know what that means?
I wanted to and I can't. What you gonna do about it? Right. You're next.
If y'all watch Boss Baby, drop a comment with the thumbs up.
Yeah.
Y'all do know nobody else is gonna watch this thing out.
Nah, we'll put this on YouTube.
No, you're not.
Yes, we are.
We are. Does anybody know? We're putting.
Esther's the queen, and the queen must show the world how to act properly and to have a fun and loving, godly lifestyle. Say facts or words.
Facts.
Now y'all should watch it because there might be some inappropriate stuff for the eyes.
Beep. I ain't trying to be perfect. I'm just trying to be me.
Here. I have an idea for you to do it. Okay. Do it. Yeah, this is never gonna work.
I want to trade slimes.
Okay. I'll show you. It's not the slime.
I want to make a huge bubble.
Are you trying to decorate?
I know your thing. I know what it is. You're doing this. This is what you're doing. That's what you're doing.
What are you doing? Like, how are you able to stretch it so perfectly?
I don't know.
Wait, you go past. Let me see. Give me half this again. Spider-Man, Spider-Man. My jank guy's in the car. My jank guy's in the car.
What did you say?
I don't know what she said. I was thinking Spider-Man.
He's never gonna get it. Look, stretch. What'd she say? What'd you say?
You have to watch it. JK!
What'd she say?
But you'll never know.
6-year-old girl loses her favorite homemade baby doll.
Fart again?
Woman, it's the same case.
I've really been trying to make a bubble for the last 10 minutes. Get off of me.
I got too many cases left to solve. You got to come out.
Wow. Like, it just comes easily to you. When you first started making slime balls, were you naturally good at it, or were you... I made a little one, it deflated.
So at first,
Were you as better than me, or just as good as me?
I just do like I tried so hard.
Were you just as good as me, or were you better than me?
Oh, it was definitely better than you. I do small bubbles. It would do like small bubbles, kind of like that. See, this is your problem.
Probably is my slime is broken.
No, it's not. I'm looking. Do it again. I'll show you. Problem is, you're doing this, and holes.
Yeah, how do you stretch it so you get no holes?
Slow.
I'm a stubborn old lady kid. Nothing outlasts me. I once sat in a protest on steel mill for over 3 straight days. And that was just
Slow.
sandwiches in the vending machine.
I watched videos. This is how I know.
We admire our own. I've solved every single problem in this room.
He didn't, though.
Alright, ready? Watch this. Did you see it?
There was a hole.
I know, I saw that. The whole world saw it. And this is where we're at.
You want to see a really big bubble?
You're really good at this.
Oh, you want to see something else cool? Okay. Okay, there's another thing I do. It's not so easy to do.
House file.
What are you trying to do?
That, see? You poke it and nothing happens.
Oh, I'm so good at making bubbles, I can make the bubble dance. Well, we're about to be 15 minutes in. I'm about to turn this off. Anything you want to say to them?
Give a big thumbs up. Comment down below. Subscribe. Anything you want to say?
God goes greatness. Good night.